Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle I will do in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, September the 3rd, 2021, almost weekend, and I have solved the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary puzzle, so one puzzle left, the Tectonic with 4 stars. There's actually 6 puzzles here, but I won't do them all, only 3 out of 6. And this one will be a number 3343. 3343. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, but also could be an easy one, but I think it's a hard one because the hard ones has 9, 10, 11 printed digits. And for a 4-star Sudoku or a puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1, or boxes. Yes, I see here 1. So single box is always a 1. Alright. More single boxes here? No. Dual box, I see here, dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. More dual boxes here, also dual box. But I do not know in which order, the 1 and the 2, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also another one, the 1 and 2, I do not know in which order. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple box. Quadra boxes then. Do we have a quadra box? Let me scan the puzzle here. Quadra box in an L shape. And if you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box. This is the inside box. The L shape with 4 boxes. The inside box is always a 5. Alright. I think this is the only one quadra box in this puzzle. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures or structures or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape. The T shape, here we have a T shape. Let me draw this. We have here a T shape. Upside down. We remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. But also that box has always the same number as this box. So in this case, 1 or a 2. Let me mark those. 1 or a 2. More T shapes. Here another one. 2 T shapes. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this. Okay. This shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah. Well, no, only one. Only one. Okay. Then the following shape. L shape. I see here an L shape with 5 boxes. Okay. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Only 2. This is not. This is also L shape, but with 4 boxes, so it's not the same like this one. Okay, then the following shape. About this shape. Okay, this shape. This box has always the same name as that box. Okay, so we have 3 boxes connected. Okay, so this box, same name as that box. And we have another one, so this box has the same name as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. And I think the last one, the Z construction. Yeah, let me draw the Z construction. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Okay, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. So we have 2 with the same number in the Z construction, but also in the T construction or T shape. Alright, those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 5, only 5, but we have more. I believe 6, but in this puzzle we have 5 that you need to recognize. Then it's very simple or easy to fill the numbers. That's the next step. Let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this dual box. So this box cannot be a 1. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1, double 2 here. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Yes. It's a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. I have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Alright, so this box can be 3 in this L shape. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Together with the 4, we have a pair. So 1 box left in this L shape for the number 2. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this shape, in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2, should be there. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 here, double 4 there. So here cannot be 3 or 4. So the 3 and 4 goes together in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 4. 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for the number 2. Alright. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 here and double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area in this quadra box should be the 1 and the 2. 1 or a 2. Alright, 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be 3 and a 4. But look, we have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3. It should be a 4. Alright. So this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. We had a pair, 3 and a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box should be a 3. Alright. So these 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be 3. So 1 box left for 3 should be there. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this W area shape. For the numbers 1 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 5. The 3 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, these 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. This box is connected with that box, will be so 1 or a 5. Okay. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4, can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4. Of course, it's connected. It's a 4 also. It's connected. It's connected. Let me see. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair now, 2 and a 4. And those 2 boxes will be 1 and a 5. Okay, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay, 1 and a 5. So this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 here. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So now we have 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. One box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 and a 4. 1 and a 5. Cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a 5, so this should be a 1. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think I've overlooked this 2. 2 and a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box with 1 or a 2. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. Connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the number 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow! It's definitely not 4 stars. It's definitely not a 3 stars, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. So it's a 2 stars here. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve a puzzle. Let me give this a 2 stars. Although it has 11 printed digits. So I thought maybe it's a 4 stars. No. I give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, for the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer Sudoku, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes, I think the Tectonic puzzles I have managed to, I think there are a lot, maybe 400 or 500 Tectonics, if you like Tectonics puzzles. Yes, again, subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.